Today, frameworks are an essential part of web development. As the standards of web applications continue rising, so does the complexity of the technology needed in development. Currently, there are more than 20 frameworks available for web development. What are the 10 best back-end as well as front-end frameworks to take note of? 1. Express. Express prides itself as a minimal, fast, and unopinionated framework. It provides some core framework functionalities without obscuring the features of Node and leverages the robust performance of the asynchronous Node.js. It's also quite flexible and supports full applications as well as REST API as well. Perhaps the biggest drawback of Express is the fact that there's no defined way of doing things, at least for beginners. 2. Django. Django is a model view template Python web framework. The fact that Django is based on Python, one of the most popular programming languages, makes it a top pick for many developers. 3. Rails. Rails is a Ruby-based model view controller framework, popular with many developers. Rails has library-like dependencies that help developers extend application functionalities, helping them develop efficiently and faster. 4. Laravel. Laravel is a model view controller framework that uses PHP. Laravel comes with API support out of the box, and it also possesses a decent amount of packages that could extend its reach. In terms of performance, however, Laravel doesn't compare to Django or Express, which might be a drawback for massive projects. 5. Spring. Spring is a model view controller framework that uses Java. Spring possesses many sister projects that boost its performance and let you scale your business quickly. 6. Angular. Angular is one of the best and widely used frameworks, developed and maintained by Google. Angular is mainly used to develop high-performance as well as large web applications. Angular is a front-end web framework that can be used to build client-side applications. 7. React. React is not a framework, it's a front-end library, but many developers consider it a framework. React was the first to adopt the component-based architecture that Angular and Vue, and many other frameworks started to adopt later on. React's virtual DOM makes the DOM manipulation much faster, and it's quite easy to pick up, mainly thanks to its JSX syntax. React could be used server-side or client-side. 8. Vue. Vue.js is an open-source model view model, JavaScript-based framework. It is mainly common in building user interfaces and single-page web applications. Vue's core library is focused on the Vue layer only. It is a progressive framework that allows a developer to adopt it for a section of a project while other sections use other frameworks. 9. Ember. Ember is a model view controller framework whose main purpose is to develop large client-side web applications. Ember uses handlebars. JS as a template engine. Handlebars. JS allows a developer to effectively build semantic templates. Ember allows the easier addition of interactivity to large datasets and handles changes more efficiently than Angular. 10. Backbone. Backbone is an extremely light front-end framework that's fit for building rich single-page applications. Backbone only has one core dependency, which is the underscore library, and it has a vibrant ecosystem that, when added to Mustache and Marionette, allows you to build complete client-side applications. Are you looking to be a full-stack web developer? This video has outlined some of the best front-end and back-end web development frameworks. You could start by learning 2 frameworks, one from front-end and one from the back-end.